Pop quiz. What's the difference between a regular affiliate program and an affiliate movement? If you saw Alex Hormozi's book launch, you probably already know he didn't just hand out links, he built a hype machine where every partner felt like a VIP and their audience got something special. In this video, I'm breaking down how you can pull off that very same magic right on WordPress with Thrive Suite and Affiliate WP. Let's be real, most affiliate programs are kind of boring. A lot of them are just like, here's your affiliate link, go spam it on the internet and, get a few bucks in return. No wonder why no one's excited to partake in something like that, because both your partners and their audience are going to smell the desperation and your affiliates are just not going to care as much. But what Alex Hormozi did with his affiliate program was kind of special. His affiliates had skin in the game. They offered their own bonuses, they ran their own contests, and they actually looked like heroes to their followers. That's what turned his affiliate program from meh to just, to a real meaningful movement. Here's how you can copy his playbook. You want to be giving affiliates real unique bonuses, not just commissions, think exclusive downloads, bonus content, or, even a private call for people who buy through their link. You want to also let partners own the relationship. You want to set up custom landing pages for them, thank you messages, and even mini offers that really feel personal. And of course, you also want to be making affiliates feel like they're part of your team. How do you do this? Well, you do it by hosting Q&As, you do it by sharing exclusive behind the scenes content, and you want to let them help shape the promos. And last but not least, why not celebrate wins publicly? Like give them shout outs on social media. With Affiliate WP, you can actually run a leaderboard so you can let affiliates see who's getting the most amount of commissions, or open up a private group for sharing strategies as well. When you do all of these things, your affiliates aren't just pushing out links, they're building their brand and yours, and their audience actually wants in. All right, folks, let's get tactical and take a look at the kind of affiliate program that we can actually build on WordPress using Affiliate WP and Thrive Suite. So first things first, you want to go ahead and sign up for Affiliate WP. Full disclosure, it's just best if you get the pro version because you're going to have access to all of these different add-ons. Now, we're not going to take a look at all of them because, there are different add-ons for different use cases. We're not going to need vanity coupon codes, for example, for this particular use case in which we try to build a similar affiliate program to that of Alex Hormozi, but I want to talk about a couple of them, okay? And it's just going to make your life easier if you sign up for the pro version because it unlocks all of these. And to be fair, you can actually put a lot of them to use, but again, let's just go ahead and concentrate on a couple of these. So the first one that I want to enable is, of course, custom affiliate slugs. So if you click on the actual add-on, it takes you to the Affiliate WP website where it essentially gives you a breakdown of how you can use all these different things. And what we can do is once you've enabled some of these add-ons is jump over into settings, and we're going to tweak what type of slugs we let affiliates customize. And it is important because at the end of the day, when you're trying to really give your affiliates a personalized experience, it obviously looks better for them in front of their audience to have a custom slug rather than, your URL / a random set of variables, like a random string of characters and stuff like that. So allow custom affiliate slugs. So let's go ahead and enable that. And, let's go ahead and click save. And then the other thing that I want to do is enable landing pages. Landing pages are pretty awesome as well because it bypasses the need to even have a custom slug. Let me actually show you how that works. So as you can see, I have the affiliate landing pages add-on installed. And once you've actually installed that add-on, you can jump over into settings. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to have an option in here for affiliate landing pages. And you can just go ahead and enable that. And we're going to enable it for, you can probably do both pages and posts. For this particular use case, we're going to go ahead and just enable pages. And we're going to hit save. And if we go ahead and try to create a new page, for example, I'm going to create a new page called Arno Redden's special offer. Okay, so Arno is a good friend of mine, and he happens to be our video editor here at Thrive Themes. And since we've enabled affiliate landing pages, you can actually see how here in the right-hand column, if we scroll down, we can see how we can assign this particular landing page to a given affiliate. So in this case, I don't actually have Arno signed up as an affiliate, but you could potentially assign it to him, or I could just assign it to myself. I actually don't have affiliates right now, but you get the gist, right? I mean, your affiliates would show up here, and you can just assign this particular landing page to a given affiliate. So what does that do? Well, it automatically bypasses the need for Arno to even use an affiliate link. He can just tell people, hey, go to Tony's page, which would be, lewistony.com/Arno, for example. And anyone that lands on this page is going to be considered an affiliate from Arno. And what's really cool about this is that we can actually fire up Thrive Architect and completely design a page that is 100% targeted to Arno's audience. And since we're using Thrive Suite, we can just grab a pre-built landing page, pick a professionally designed template that we've worked on for you guys, and start building out a special offer for Arno's audience. Here, for example, I could just be like 6 ways in which Arno uses Tony's product. Get started with Tony. And we can probably do a secondary button here that says, just like Arno did, join Arno in working with Tony. Something like that. You get the gist. I mean, the whole point here is that we make it super easy for Arno to not even have to share an affiliate link all over the internet, right? We can just point people to a given landing page on our site, and anyone who lands on this page and converts is going to automatically reward Arno with a commission because they're going to be considered affiliates from Arno. Now, remember in my last video how I was telling you about how Alex Hormozi treated affiliates, not just like affiliates, but like partners. And he even gave the audience of each of his affiliates different bonuses. We can kind of do something similar with Affiliate WP with tiered affiliate rates. Now, what this is going to do, and I'm going to go ahead and install this add-on, is it's going to allow us to reward affiliates that are, going the extra mile and bringing us more work with higher commissions. Okay, so in essence, we're going to create different tier levels. And for affiliates who reach certain milestones, we're going to be able to reward them with higher commission rates. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. All right, so if we jump over into settings, you can kind of see how, using Affiliate WP, it's kind of very straightforward, whereby for every add-on that you install, you get a new tab inside your settings tab, if that makes any sense. So, every single time you install an add-on, you usually just have to navigate over into settings, and you'll notice how, hey, here we've got a new tab for custom affiliate slugs, and we also have a new tab for our recently installed add-on, which is tiered rates. And here we can kind of tell Affiliate WP, hey, I want to reward affiliates who achieve a certain number of referrals. For example, if you bring in 10 customers, we're going to reward you with a 25% commission rate. And if you bring in a total number of, maybe like 20 people, we're going to reward you with 35%, and so forth and so on. And you can also do for a total given number of referral earnings as well, if that's something you're interested in doing. What's really cool is that you can actually treat this as a sort of gamification contest, if you will, by resetting things on the first of every month, meaning you incentivize people to work towards a higher commission every month. It's kind of a really fun way of just making things feel more like a game. I also want to show you the different types of affiliate portals that you can use with Affiliate WP, okay? Now, before we do so, I am in the process of creating a new affiliate because if you don't have an actual affiliate inside Affiliate WP, then you're not going to be able to access the portal, okay? It's just going to show up as blank. So, it is important for you to understand that the architecture of how Affiliate WP works is it connects affiliates with WordPress accounts, okay? So you can kind of see how here I'm creating a new affiliate inside Affiliate WP that is tied directly to my WordPress account, meaning that for every user that essentially signs up to your affiliate program, you're essentially creating a new WordPress account on your site for them as well. So with that said, here you can do bunch of different types of customizations. For example, you can type in their PayPal email address if you're going to be paying out people via PayPal or Moneybookers or others. You can actually group people as well. So if you're creating, if you're working with different influencers, for example, you can create groups and organize affiliates by, this is I don't know, by different types of influencer groups that you can possibly think of. And you have a space in here for a custom slug as well. So here I'm just going to do Tony marketing, for example. All right. I'm going to go ahead and create this affiliate. Cool. Now, something that you should know is that when you install Affiliate WP inside your WordPress environment, it is going to automatically create a new page for you. This page that it's going to create for you is usually going to be called Affiliate Area, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Affiliate Area. And as you can see, it's going to act as your Affiliate Area page. It's going to also act as your affiliate login page and your affiliate registration page. You kind of get 3 different use cases for the same particular page, which is kind of really cool, right? And since we have created an affiliate account for our current logged in user, for the user that I'm currently logged in as, if I open this page, you can see how here I've got my affiliate portal, if you will. I've got my referral link. I've got access to creatives, which I haven't actually uploaded any creatives, but I could take a look at statistics, graphs, referrals, payouts, and all of this happens within my Thrive Theme Builder environment, right? I mean, I'm still using my theme, my regular WordPress theme that is powered by Thrive Theme Builder. I've got my menu in the left-hand column, my affiliate portal in the center, a little more wider column, and then my right-hand column is still there, just like any other page, right? Which is really cool. But I have gotten in the past, and I guess if we're really trying to really go for the Alex Hormozi approach of doing things, which is, making things really slick, I have gotten in the past suggestions of, okay, how do we actually take this up a notch and make it look like a real web application? Affiliate WP actually offers the possibility of actually implementing an affiliate dashboard, which is a custom 100% SaaS looking dashboard that doesn't actually embed on one of your pages. How do we do that? Well, we can go inside the add-ons and you can see one for affiliate portal. And this, you can kind of read the description here. It says it provides an optimized experience for affiliates via a custom dashboard user interface. Let's go ahead and install the affiliate portal so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. And as usual, once the add-on has been installed, we can just jump over into settings. And you can kind of see how we have a new tab in here for the affiliate portal. And we can just enable the affiliate portal. We can upload a logo. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick out the logo of my current blog. Let's go ahead and use this one. And we can enable some share icons. And let's go ahead and hit save. Now, what exactly did that do? Because we haven't actually had any new pages created in our WordPress environment. Well, the thing is, it's still going to be the affiliate area page that we have and that automatically gets created for us upon installing Affiliate WP. This is now going to be a fully custom looking affiliate portal. So if we open up this page, you can kind of see how this is no longer a
page that is going to look like anything like my site looks like. Boom. But it is actually part of my site, right? We've got a call to action here to go back to our site. We have the logo that I've picked out and a full-on dashboard that is going to obviously make affiliates look like they're part of something bigger. We got here a list of affiliate URLs. We've got here a list of statistics, graphs, pretty much all of the other details that we had in the regular affiliate portal that comes with Affiliate WP, except it's just presented in a much sexier way, if you will.
Now, the result of all of this work ultimately leads to affiliates looking like rock stars, you getting loyal users, and the whole thing feeling more of like an event, an experience, and not just a transaction. So if you're ready to launch a true affiliate movement and not just another program, Thrive Suite and Affiliate WP are your toolkit. WordPress gives you unlimited control, and these plugins make it super easy to deliver value, track success, and keep everyone pumped. You've got useful links down in the description box below. And yeah, if you have any questions on launching your strategy, partner incentives, or setting up an affiliate program with all of these power tools, just drop them down in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to help you out with anything that I can. And yeah, let's just go ahead and make affiliate programs exciting again, because when you help your partners look good, everyone wins. So yeah, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more videos, and let's get to building.